Today I am reviewing the Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender is a professional-grade kitchen appliance designed for anyone who wants to elevate their home cooking, smoothies, and healthy lifestyle. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, juices, or sauces, this blender combines power, precision, and convenience to deliver consistent, high-quality results every time. One of the standout features of the Vitamix E310 is its 2-horsepower high-performance motor, which provides plenty of power to crush ice, nuts, and frozen fruits, as well as blend fibrous vegetables and leafy greens into perfectly smooth textures. Unlike standard blenders that leave chunks behind, the E310 ensures your drinks and recipes are smooth, creamy, and evenly blended. The 48-ounce container is specifically designed to create the iconic Vitamix vortex, which pulls ingredients down toward the blades for efficient blending. This means whether you're preparing a small batch of morning smoothies or a larger batch of soup or sauce, the Vitamix E310 handles it effortlessly. The container size also makes it perfect for families or meal prep, giving you the ability to make multiple servings at once. Equipped with laser-cut stainless steel blades, this blender can handle almost anything you throw at it. From ice and frozen berries to nuts and fibrous vegetables, the blades maintain consistent performance over time, ensuring long-lasting durability. The 10 variable speed settings and pulse control allow you to achieve precise textures for a wide range of recipes, from chunky salsas to silky soups, giving you complete control over every blend. Another feature that sets the Vitamix E310 apart is its self-cleaning function. By simply adding warm water and a drop of dish soap, the blender cleans itself in just 30 to 60 seconds. This eliminates the hassle of disassembly and scrubbing, making it perfect for busy individuals, families, or anyone looking to simplify kitchen cleanup while enjoying healthy meals. The Vitamix E310 is built for durability and reliability. Backed by a 5-year limited warranty, this blender is designed to last up to 10 times longer than standard blenders, giving you peace of mind with your investment. Its sleek black design and professional-grade build make it a stylish and functional addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a smoothie enthusiast, a home chef, or someone who wants to make healthier meals at home, the Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender is a versatile, high-performance tool that can handle a wide variety of recipes with ease and precision. From hot soups to frozen desserts, from protein shakes to nut butters, this blender delivers consistent results and professional quality performance in the comfort of your own kitchen. In conclusion, the Vitamix Explorian E310 combines powerful performance, durable construction, precise controls, and convenient self-cleaning features to make it an essential kitchen appliance. It's ideal for anyone looking to blend, puree, and mix like a professional, enjoy healthier meals, and save time on cleanup, making it a must-have for every modern kitchen.